Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Now today I will be showing you how to make beans without tomatoes. We'll be making beans with just carrots, onions and green pepper. But before I show you how to do it, please remember to subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and if you have already done so, thank you very much. Now don't mind my voice, I have a little cold, but I'll be fine. Now let's get to our video of the day. Okay, so for this recipe, you don't need a lot. You just need boiled beans, carrots, onions, green pepper, and spices of your choice. So you cut up the vegetables just like in this video. So guys, I am not going to narrate the step-by-step procedure of how to cook these beans. Just watch this video and read the instructions on the screen. Now I have a little cold and my throat is hurting, so I can't talk throughout. So yeah, just watch the video and I'll put all the instructions on the screen. Enjoy! So there you have it, guys. Beans cooked with carrots, green pepper and onions. Now always make sure that the vegetables are medium cooked. Now that's all I had for you today. Please remember to subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and if you have already done so, thank you very much. Also, let me know how you cook your beans down in the comment section below. Until next time, bye.